Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the TikTok accessibility menu. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will share my whole YouTube revenue statistics. So let's jump into it. First of all, you have to go to your TikTok profile, and here go to settings, which is in the top right corner. And here, if you scroll down at the content and activity panel, the last menu point is accessibility. So if you tap on this menu, you will have two little switches where you can turn on. The first one is animated thumbnails. If you turn this on, then on a TikTok profile, you will see all the video thumbnails moving. So they will show a short part of the video, but you can turn this off if you are more sensitive to a lot of movement and yeah, so you can turn it on or off, or maybe you are not sensitive, you don't like it that way, you can turn it off. So that's how you do it. And the photosensitive videos, you can remove photosensitive videos from your TikTok. If you turn this on, it won't show you these kinds of videos. Remove videos using effects that may trigger photosensitive seizures. So I think it's a very useful and nice way from TikTok to help users be safe while using their app. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.